This is the Woods DDP tutorial for Model 6. I'm going to begin this part by coming over here to New, selecting the drop-down arrow, selecting Part. I'm going to begin a 2D sketch on the XY plane. I'm going to begin by drawing the overall stock size, which is 6x4, using the rectangle tool. I'm going to start at my origin, so I'm going to get a green snap, and then I'm going to move the rectangle in the direction that I would like it to appear. I'm going to change the horizontal dimension to 6, press Tab on my keyboard, change the height to 4, and press Enter. Then I'm going to select Front to place my view. Then I'm going to press Finish Sketch. I'm going to extrude. I'm going to extrude this profile a distance of 3, so I'm going to change distance A to 3, select OK. Come back up here to my Home button. I'm then going to put a profile that goes through the part. It's going to be a cut extrusion, so I'm going to start a sketch on my side view. I'm going to select right to reorient myself. I'm going to begin by placing a rectangle. This rectangle is not going to be snapped to the green corner. I need it on this top line, which my Y readout is going to be 4. So I'm placing up here on the top of my part, and I'm going to select, and then I'm going to place it in the direction that I would like it to go. The size of this cutout is going to be 1 tab 1.5, enter. Then I'm going to dimension it from the left side of this rectangle that I just made. So I'm going to select dimension. I'm going to select the left side of my rectangle to the left side of my part. I'm going to select up here to activate the dimension. This dimension is going to be 1. I'm going to select the check mark, and now I have located my rectangle. I'm going to go to Finish Sketch, and I am going to extrude this profile. This profile is going to be a cut extrusion, so I'm going to come down here to Output and select Cut. The distance is going to be through all, so I'm going to select this icon that says Through All, and then I'm going to say OK. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a chamfer on these edges. So to do that, I'm going to come up here to chamfer. And the way that they've given me chamfer is by 2 distances. So I'm going to come down here to the third option, which is 2 distances. And I'm going to change each of these to 2. Then I'm going to select my edges, 1. And I'm going to apply. And then the second one. And then click apply. I'm going to close this window. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to place a hole in this face. So to do that, I'm going to start 2D sketch, select this face. I'm going to reorient myself here. I'm going to place a point. When I place this point, I just want it on this face. I don't want it to tie into any of these existing geometries. So I need to make sure it's free of those. So I'm just going to select somewhere on my front face. Then I'm going to dimension it in the x-axis and then the y-axis. So the x-axis, I'm going to go from my point to the left side of my part. And then I'm going to click over here in the white to activate the dimension. This distance is 3. And I'm going to click check mark. Then I'm going to locate it in the y-axis. So I'm going to again click my point in the bottom of my part. Come over here in the white. Select it to activate it. This distance is 1.25. Select check mark. Now I'm going to select Finish Sketch, and I'm going to select Hole. Hole will automatically select the point that I have on here. I'm going to make sure that the hole is a simple hole. The seat is none. The termination is going to be through all. And the diameter down here is going to be a 1.5 hole. I'm going to select OK. And this is the completion of Model 6.